The average person sits around dreaming one day of making money. They dream of being able to do what they want to do in life without money being an issue, whether they want to go on bigger vacations or be able to afford a certain lifestyle, or even just be able to pay their bills and save for the future. But the problem with all these dreams is that they don't just happen on their own. If you want to actually make money, it has to be more than just a dream. If you want to actually make money, you need to be willing to work hard and do whatever it takes. And that's different for different people. Some people can record themselves and make money by having a YouTube channel. Some people can sit at a computer and write some code and sell that code over and over and over again. And a lot of people need to get out of their houses and mow lawns or drive trucks or flip burgers. How you specifically make money is far less important than this one tip. Be willing to try something new. Being willing to try something new is absolutely crucial to making money, because if you're not willing to try something new, then you will most likely continue to make exactly the amount of money that you're making right now, or less. Entrepreneurs and successful businessmen aren't afraid of trying new things. They aren't afraid of failing over and over and over again until they finally succeed. People who we look up to as being the most successful, making the most money, only got to that point because they had the mindset that it was important to try new things, and it was okay to fail in the process. Thomas Edison said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Michael Jordan once said, "I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying." So don't be afraid of trying new things, and don't be afraid of failing when you try those new things. As for me, I started a YouTube channel at the very beginning of COVID that's now making me $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Not this channel, but my primary vlog channel. And I plan to triple that amount within a year. So I started this channel to encourage you that it's totally possible. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. Turn them into reality. Perhaps no one said it better than Steve Jobs. Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing that you can't do is ignore them because they change things. They push the human race forward, and while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones who do. Maybe you're not looking to change the world. Maybe you're just trying to change your financial status. It's the exact same principle. Instead of waiting for life to change around you, take a step of faith and be the change that you want to see. Maybe you fail. That's okay. Learn from it and try again. Eventually, you'll find what works for you. Keep at it until you do. Don't give up.
If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.